most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, we say good morning on this cold Tuesday. We warned you that it was going to get frigid today, and certainly it has. Now, the winds are not too bad. This flag has been blowing around occasionally, and I wanted to show that to you here at Waynesboro High School. And it's cold, but, you know, we've had a lot of cold mornings dating back to December, and I'm not sure this one is any more special than the last, although we do have some sub-zero readings here with wind chills. Fannett Meadow Junior Senior High School is at 11. It feels like -2. We've got Lancaster Airport feeling like 1 degree. Wildwood Park is at 14, feeling like 7. And Big Spring School District in Newville, 10 degrees right now, feeling like 2. It doesn't take much of a wind to produce some wind chill when it's this cold. But skies are clear. I expect a lot of sunshine today, maybe a few clouds over the mountains here this afternoon, but it's going to be a nice day. The problem is temperatures are not going to warm up much. In fact, right now we are in the teens. The forecasted low is 10. These numbers will probably fall close to that over the next couple of hours. It is 12 in Chambersburg. But the issue is even a little bit of a breeze like this at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, 13 in Philly, 14 in Baltimore, does create that wind chill. It feels like 1 below in Allentown. Plus you factor in the snowpack that some areas got over the weekend, especially in our eastern counties, and that makes it feel even colder. So it feels like 1 degree in Lancaster and Harrisburg and Hagerstown this morning. So yes, it's cold. Meanwhile, no snow here in Adams County. This is Conewago Valley School District. They missed out on the snow this weekend. Temperatures right around 20 degrees today. So that is not only well below normal, it's going to be well below freezing. So for those of us that did get snow over the weekend, it's not going anywhere. 34 yesterday, dropping to 15 just before midnight last night. The normal is 38 and the normal low is 22. Remember back in 1994, you just saw Dan talk about 96, but 94 was another big blizzard, and then truly Arctic air moved in behind that. 16 below the record low this morning. It is certainly was mighty cold the week after that blizzard here in 94. So frigid and breezy today, but it will be sunny and dry. Just a few clouds at times coming off the lakes. But look at the country, rather quiet right now. It's not going to stay that way, but right now it is rather quiet with high pressure dominating the central part of the U.S. So if you have evening plans tonight, we always like to show you this, many of you out and about. It is going to be frigid. Temperatures in the teens. The winds do back off a bit tonight, but you will need your jackets. And I expect low temperatures to be right around 10 degrees again tomorrow morning. It just won't be as breezy. So today, some mountain clouds to the north and west of Harrisburg. Otherwise, mainly sunny. I expect it to be pretty nice. We will start tomorrow mainly sunny, but clouds are going to increase later on in the day. There could be a stray snow shower tomorrow in some of the mountains. Otherwise, most of us will stay dry. Thursday looking okay. Partly cloudy skies at times, even some sunshine breaking out in the afternoon. And Thursday looks mild. We're going to get back up into the 40s. So breezy conditions this afternoon, winds at around 15 miles an hour. They're going to back off tonight. But I think tomorrow is going to get pretty gusty again in the afternoon. Look at this, winds at 15 to 20 miles an hour from the south. And that should take us back up into the 30s. And Thursday also looks breezy as the next front blows through. Winds back up to 15 to 20 miles an hour Thursday afternoon. So wind chill values will be at times below zero this morning into the single digits for much of the day. It does look like a frigid Tuesday, and the same can be said tomorrow morning. Even tomorrow when we're up into the mid-30s, that wind is going to add a bit of a chill, and so it's going to feel more like the 20s here for us as we look ahead into the end of the week. We really do get Arctic again after a brief respite from these cold temperatures. Look at Thursday, 43 degrees, Friday, 32, and then look at this, the weekend and beyond. Temperatures in the teens and 20s. This Arctic outbreak may help to keep a winter storm this weekend, the brunt of it off to our south. Saturday's going to be quite cold. The storm now looks like it is coming for Sunday and Monday, and that's what we're going to show you here. So for those of you with weekend plans, this shifted from Saturday now, and it looks like a Sunday-Monday storm with the bullseye just to our south. But this does show snow here Sunday afternoon through Sunday night into Monday, and this is something that we're going to be watching to see how far north the brunt of that moisture will come here to end the weekend, so to speak, because it's going to be cold. 20 degrees today, breezy and frigid. Tonight down to 10 again, but the winds do back off. And then we have a stretch of milder days, 35 on Wednesday, 43 on Thursday, a blustery day on Friday, and then Arctic air invades for the first half of the weekend and beyond. And then we have to watch the potential for that snow Sunday into Monday.
And you'll fine tune that later this week.
Yeah, lots going on for the weekend.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you, Brett. We'll be right back.